Welcome back to our channel, where we discuss all the latest happenings in the world of cryptocurrency. Today, we're delving into an intriguing turn of events, the recent surge and subsequent dip in Bitcoin's price. Now, let's dive into the details. In the world of cryptocurrency, volatility is the name of the game. And Bitcoin, the pioneering cryptocurrency, is no stranger to dramatic price swings. Just a few months ago, Bitcoin enthusiasts were celebrating as the price of Bitcoin soared to unprecedented heights. In January, the cryptocurrency reached an all-time high of around $40,000, making headlines across the globe and causing a frenzy in the market. But as a seasoned crypto investors know, what goes up must come down, and come down it did. After reaching this peak, Bitcoin experienced a sharp correction. The price plummeted by almost 50%, a significant dip that sent shockwaves through the crypto community. This dramatic fall was a stark reminder of Bitcoin's volatility, a quality that attracts some investors for its potential for high returns, while deterring others with its inherent risk. It was also a wake-up call for those who might have been swept up in the excitement of the surge, reminding them that investing in cryptocurrency is not for the faint of heart or the unprepared. But what caused this sudden dip? Several factors may have contributed. Market corrections are a common occurrence in financial markets, a way of resetting and creating balance. After such a significant surge, a correction was not only expected, but necessary. Other factors like changes in market sentiment, regulatory news, and macroeconomic conditions also play a significant role in Bitcoin's price movements. So, that's the story. Bitcoin started the year with a bang, soaring to new heights before experiencing a significant correction. But as we know, the world of cryptocurrency is anything but predictable. And as we move forward, all eyes will be on Bitcoin, watching to see where it goes next. In January, the price reached an all-time high of around $40,000. However, it didn't take long before we saw a sharp correction, causing the price to plummet by almost 50%. After this dip, many experts started voicing their opinion on where Bitcoin might be heading. A variety of perspectives emerged from the chatter, painting a multifaceted picture of Bitcoin's future in the market. Let's delve into some of these expert insights. First off, we have a viewpoint from a seasoned crypto trader who saw the recent price correction as an anticipated event. He stated, "In my opinion, this correction was expected. Bitcoin's parabolic bull run had to slow down at some point." This perspective implies that the recent price drop isn't a cause for alarm, but rather a natural part of Bitcoin's journey. Next, we have a crypto analyst who remains bullish on Bitcoin's future despite the recent dip. She shared, "Despite the dip, I remain bullish on Bitcoin's long-term prospects. The fundamentals of the cryptocurrency are strong, and I believe we will see further growth." This optimistic stance suggests that the underlying strength of Bitcoin can withstand temporary market fluctuations. Lastly, we have a perspective from a veteran investor who sees the volatility as part and parcel of the crypto landscape. He mentioned, "Volatility is inherent in the crypto market, and Bitcoin is no exception. Although the recent correction was steep, I think it presents a buying opportunity for those who missed out before." This viewpoint offers a silver lining to those who may have been caught off guard by the recent price drop. In summary, while opinions differ, most experts agree that Bitcoin's recent price correction is part of its natural market cycle. Whether seen as a necessary slowdown or a buying opportunity, the consensus is that Bitcoin has a robust future ahead. Although the recent correction was steep, it's viewed by many as presenting a buying opportunity for those who missed out before. As always, the key is to keep a close eye on the market, do your research, and make informed decisions. But what can we expect from Bitcoin in the rest of the year? Now, that's the million-dollar question, isn't it? Or perhaps we should say the Bitcoin question. As we delve into the realm of predictions, remember, we're stepping into a territory known for its volatility and unpredictability. So take these forecasts with a grain of salt and always do your own research. Now, on to the predictions. There are those who are incredibly bullish about Bitcoin's prospects. Some industry leaders are even venturing to predict that Bitcoin could hit a new all-time high this year, potentially surpassing the $100,000 mark. Their optimism is fueled by increasing institutional adoption and growing demand from retail investors, which they believe could serve as a powerful driver for Bitcoin's price. But as always, there are two sides to every coin, or in this case, Bitcoin. There are those who caution against too much optimism. They argue that Bitcoin might face further volatility and consolidation before resuming its upward trend. They emphasize the need for caution and advise investors to brace themselves for potential price swings. Whether you're a bull or a bear, it's undeniable that the cryptocurrency market is a roller coaster ride. One moment you're soaring to the moon, and the next you're plunging to the depths. But that's what makes this journey so exciting, isn't it? It's also worth noting that these predictions are not set in stone. They're based on current market trends and economic conditions, which can change at a moment's notice. So, while it's interesting to speculate about the future, it's equally important to stay informed and make decisions based on the most accurate, up-to-date information. So there you have it, folks. A glimpse into the possible future of Bitcoin. Will it reach new heights, or will it face further volatility? Only time will tell. But one thing is certain. Bitcoin continues to captivate us all, and its journey is far from over. They emphasize the need for caution and advise investors to brace themselves for potential price swings. Bitcoin's price is influenced by a range of factors, including market sentiment, regulatory changes, and macroeconomic conditions. Firstly, let's talk about the impact of market sentiment on Bitcoin's price. As with any investment, the sentiment or mood of investors can significantly sway the price of Bitcoin. When optimism is high, more people are likely to buy, driving the price up. Conversely, if investors become fearful due to negative news or trends, selling pressure can push the price down. Regulatory changes also play a crucial role in Bitcoin's price fluctuation. Governments around the world are still figuring out how to regulate cryptocurrencies, and their decisions can cause major ripples in the market. For instance, when a government announces supportive policies, it's usually good news for Bitcoin. However, if a country bans cryptocurrencies or imposes strict regulations, it can lead to a sell-off. Macroeconomic conditions, such as the health of the global economy, inflation rates, and geopolitical events, can also influence Bitcoin's price. In times of economic uncertainty, Bitcoin, like gold, is often viewed as a safe haven asset. Thus, demand for Bitcoin may increase during economic downturns or periods of high inflation, potentially driving up its price. Technology is another factor. Changes or upgrades to Bitcoin's underlying technology can significantly impact its price. For example, if a new update increases Bitcoin's transaction speed or lowers its transaction cost, it could make Bitcoin more attractive, possibly leading to a price increase. Lastly, supply and demand dynamics are fundamental to Bitcoin's price. The total supply of Bitcoin is capped at 21 million coins. As more people become interested in owning Bitcoin, and as the supply decreases over time due to halving events, the price can be driven upwards. However, it's important to note that these factors can interact in complex ways, and their effects on Bitcoin's price are not always predictable. This is why the cryptocurrency market is known for its volatility. Therefore, it's crucial for investors to do their own research and make informed decisions. So, there you have it, Bitcoin's recent price movements and predictions for the year ahead. To sum it all up, Bitcoin has been on a roller coaster ride. We've seen it reach an all-time high of around $40,000, followed by a swift downturn that saw its price drop by nearly half. But the world of crypto is never dull, and opinions on these movements are varied. Our experts have given us a wide range of insights. Some see this dip as a sign of the end of the Bitcoin rally. Others view it as a healthy correction, and there are those who consider it an opportunity to buy into the market. Looking forward, predictions for Bitcoin's journey over the next year are as diverse as the experts making them. There are those who believe we'll see Bitcoin break the $100,000 mark, driven by increasing institutional adoption and growing demand from retail investors. But there are also those who caution against potential volatility and consolidation, emphasizing the need for investors to be prepared for price fluctuations. Remember, the cryptocurrency market is a volatile one, influenced by a plethora of factors: market sentiment, regulatory changes, macroeconomic conditions, and more. It's crucial for any investor to do their own research and make informed decisions. In the end, despite the recent price correction, the overall sentiment remains bullish. Experts and analysts alike see potential for growth in Bitcoin's future, whether it's reaching new all-time highs or experiencing further volatility. The journey of Bitcoin is sure to be an exciting one. Until next time, happy investing.